For this video, we are rotating 180 degrees and a point besides the origin. So we're rotating triangle MPQ 180 degrees around point Q. Point Q being one of the 3 points that were given for our triangle. First, identify where point Q is, and that is at -1, 1. So I'm going to label that in orange, and then I'm going to find my other 3 points. So I've got -2, -4 for my M, -4, -1 for my P, -1, 1 for my Q, as we've already labeled in orange, but I'm also going to mark it in green, indicating that it is also a point that we will be using for our triangle. I'm going to connect my triangle with my black. Then I'm going to start finding where each of these points should be. From the origin, I'm going to start from my point of rotation. So I'm going to go down with my blue and then carry it to M. Since I am going 180 degrees, in my purple I'm going to draw my arrow rotating from my orange point all the way around, and that's going to pull my line up. Since it went down 5, it's going to go up 5, and it goes 1 over, and so I'm pulling this whole thing. So it's like I'm pulling a lever, and then I'm going to mark my point M prime. I'm going to do the same thing with my P. So I'm going to draw my red line down from my point of rotation and across. And then pink, I'm going to draw an arrow to indicate that I'm rotating my P. And I'm going up 2, since I went down 2. I'm just pulling this lever again, and then I'm going over 3. And there's my P prime. Since my Q is on the point of rotation, it's not going to move at all, but I'm still going to label it with the prime just so I know that it is part of my rotation. There's my new triangle. And that is how we rotate a triangle 180 degrees around a point that is not the origin.